In this video, I'll show you how to convert video to text with ElevenLabs in 2026. If you have a video and want to turn the spoken content into written text, ElevenLabs can help you use its available speech-to-text and transcription tools to create a text version of the video. First, open ElevenLabs on your computer and log in to your account. Once you are inside the platform, look for the speech-to-text, transcription, or related audio-to-text feature. The exact name and location may vary depending on the current ElevenLabs interface and your account. Next, prepare the video file you want to convert into text. Make sure you have permission to use and process the video, especially if it contains someone else's content. Look for the Upload option and select your supported video file from your computer. After uploading the video, allow ElevenLabs some time to process it. Processing time can vary depending on the video length, file size, and current service conditions. Once the transcription is ready, review the generated text carefully. The AI will attempt to recognize the spoken words in the video, but transcription may not always be perfect. Background noise, music, unclear speech, accents, multiple speakers, and technical terminology can sometimes cause errors.